We file taxes as well. Joining us now, this morning's Money Monday segment is certified financial planner Gary Abely. Gary, good to see you.
Nice to see you.
You've got the top 5 tax changes we're going to see in 2016. It's hard to believe we're here, but boy, when you get around January, you realize it's coming very fast. And there's some really interesting ones we were talking at the break that people need to know about.
Yeah, for example, 529 plans are a great opportunity to save for college. And now the IRS is allowing you to view each 529 separately. So, for example, many people have 2 or 3 different 529 plans. So you could use one 529 plan that has a big gain in it and use that for qualified purchases. For example, tuition, books, and now also another change with 529 plans, you're allowed to use computers or use your 529 plans to purchase computers. Yeah, this was a change, and a great change. I mean, imagine going to college and not having a computer. It's pretty much essential today.
Right, yeah.
But by allowing you to look at each 529 plan separately, you could use the 529 plans maybe for non-qualified purchases, think food and college.
Yeah.
For those 529 plans where maybe you invested in emerging markets or something that didn't do quite as well.
Anything else? I mean, that obviously when you think of college planning is a big thing. Anything else we should think about going forward?
Well, with 529 plans, the key is get started early. So some other changes that occurred with this most recent law is allowing people who are 70.5 years old or older to make charitable contributions from their retirement accounts. So instead of taking money out of an IRA, paying taxes on it, then contributing money, you're now able to take money out of your IRA and give it directly to a charitable entity. Now, in the past, we wouldn't know until about a week before the end of the year whether this law was going to be reenacted again. Fortunately, they've made this now permanent, which is a wonderful thing. So now we can, every year, people can decide how much they want to give to different charities, and they can do that again if they're 70.5 from their IRA accounts completely tax-free.
Yeah, simplifying the tax prices. We'll take that whenever we can get it, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
You know, and so just one other point with respect to tax planning. We have a couple extra days. So Emancipation Day is on April 15th, so our tax deadline is going to be April 18th. So even though we have a couple extra days, as a CPA, I always tell my clients, please plan ahead of time.
Don't procrastinate.
That last-minute effort really ends up costing you money in the long run because you don't have time to plan.
That is some great advice. Gary, where can we find you on the web?
You can find us at financialgroup.com.
All right, great.